Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a lesson. To create a lesson, you first need to create a course, since a lesson is a component of a course. The platform prompts us to give the course a name. We enter it and click Add Lesson. Next, we name the lesson and continue by clicking Create. Now we're in the main workspace, the lesson editor. This is where all learning content is built. You can type text manually, paste it from the clipboard, import from the Google Docs, or generate it using the built-in AI. To generate content, select the content type, lesson or paragraph, language, learning styles, and tone of voice. Enter your prompt, click button, and AI will generate text you can use as a base for your lesson, and then add it to fit your needs. Our materials is ready. Let's use it in a lesson. When you select a text, a toolbar appears. Here you can change the font size, color, add a link, add quotes, lists, and other elements that help you structure the information and make it more readable. When you are in the lesson, you can click the plus icon to add media. If the lesson about teamwork, for example, you could add a relevant photo. Let me show you a hotspots feature. These are interactive markers that let you add explanation directly on the top of image. Images in the video are easy to resize, move, and reposition relative to the text. Let's add a video. You can either paste a link or upload video directly to the platform. The system will automatically convert it to a widget, and learners will be able to watch the video right inside the lesson without leaving the platform. Besides photo and videos, other interactive elements are also available. Maps, PDF files, downloadable materials, tables, convert drivers, and much more. Also, don't forget to click Save. Every lesson has a full history. You can track who edited the content and when, and roll back to the previous version if needed. Once lesson content is ready, you can move on to the settings. Here you can create a replica of a lesson to save time, set up a dynamic content to personalize learning, add an opening date so the materials become available at the right time, and add it to a chapter to structure the content. After that, click the eye icon. The lesson is now published and appears in the course. Hope it helps, and good luck with your academy!